All right, today we are going to take a look at the new light kit available for the 2018, 19 plus, probably 20 unless they change the bumpers, using the Radiance or the Radiance scene lights for replacement high power fogs for the factory F-150, or in this case, the Roush F-150. One unique thing about the Roush F-150 is it's very similar to the Raptor. You'll notice the marker lights here in the grille and the marker lights there on the sides of the fender flares. And what is unique about the Radiance or the Radiance scene lights, the lights installed in this particular bumper here are the Radiance scene. This is the higher output version. What's unique about them is the amber backlight, as you see here in the lights themselves. So when the lights are off, you're going to get that amber backlight like the marker lights there in the grille. You'll also take a look here and you'll see the carbon fiber grille letters, which are also available from us here at SPV Parts, and the grille light kit for the Roush F-150 installed in the grille there itself as well. But this kit gives it a great overall look, and if you don't want to use the Radiance or the Radiance scene version, you don't have to. All right, so we flipped the lights on, so now you can see all the lights. You can see the grille lights. These are the high-powered driving combos here, and the Radiance scene lights are on also. You can see they're all very, very bright. So this combination together is going to give you a tremendous amount of light in your Roush F-150 that you would not normally have. But the amber backlight is still on here in the background, and you just can't see it. It's just drowned out by the bright fog light itself. But again, it's for the effect. That's why you would pick the Radiance or the Radiance scene version, is for that amber backlight effect, like the marker lights, like a parking light. Just like there in your headlight, you can see the amber in that as well. Kind of a neat look. It kind of completes it for your truck. But again, if you want high-powered off-road lights, they will also utilize and fit into the brackets here as well. So make sure you do visit us at specialtyperformanceparts.com or spvparts.com for all of your lighting needs for your Roush, your Raptor, or your other F-150 and so on. But yeah, it's a great overall look. I think everyone is going to be very, very happy with this kit. If we take a look here on the inside, you'll notice the completion to this kit utilizes our carbon fiber center console switch panel, and you've got 3 switches. So you've got your off-road lights there for the grille, and our second auxiliary light there we have for our fog lights, because they are high power. You can hook them up to the other fog switch. Our third switch is actually available in this case, so if you wanted to add other lights later on, you can use that as well. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit spvparts.com. That's SamPaulVictorParts.com for all of your F-150, Roush, Raptor parts and lighting needs.